Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2021 Vagabonds Spring Car Show in East Petersburg, PA. Check out the cars as they're rolling in. There's some wonderful, wonderful muscle, great customs, and a few nice classics stuffed in between. Nice little Malibu. SS, that's a pretty car. I want to get back with this. One of my favorites over here, little 32. Oh, that is nicely done. I like this. Nice chrome, a lot of good performance on there. Oh, I like the Impala tail lights. Nice. Oh, look at this. I love this deep purple. That is gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Enjoying the flathead, which I always appreciate. Again, with good period custom touches, as well as some moderate. Get the still going so she can really run. I like that. 3 times a lady for the tri-power. Very pretty. 72. 71, sorry folks. Little Roush over here passing by. We got more coming in, but they're hesitating. That's sounding so nice, so nice. Little Chevy. I was waiting for him to launch. Oh my god. I gotta catch this motor. He's got the Rocket V8 in there. Nicely equipped. I've got to catch up with this car. Show it to you. It is worth it. So bear with me, folks. That is gorgeous. That is beautiful. I love it. Oh. Very nice. Did you do the build yourself? Excellent. Check out this 48 Chevy Suburban. This is a good one in our shows. We always like this one. There we go. I love it. Very nice. Good to see you again. That is cool. Yep. Beautiful. See, oh, we love these. Ford has dominated the hot rod for so many years. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Oh, look at this. Dodge, yeah, Dodge. Oh, this is fantastic. Oh, very nice.
Thank you.
55, 56?
55.
55. Beautiful, just beautiful. I'm glad he kept a lot of the details on the inside. That's excellent. This is gorgeous. Now, was this originally a 4-door or did you convert it?
This is factory 2-door.
Oh my gosh. That is one rare bird. Check it out, folks. Check it out. Wow. Nice. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2021 Vagabonds Spring Car Show over here in East Pete. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. And if you like this video, make sure you hit subscribe. I'll see you at the shows.